this video we'll be checking on how to adjust your balance on your student portal if your payment plan is under budget. So for example, in order to make the payment of the fees, you can pay the fee in one go, or you can select a payment plan, that is the payment will be done in installments with 0% interest. And sometimes you receive an email from the college saying that the payment plan is under budget by $287.5. Now you need to make an adjustment in your budget, and how we do that, I'm taking the example of Trine University. So in order to know how much amount your adjustment plan should be adjusted, so it has already been mentioned in the email, $287.5, but I will show you on how to look for the amount that needs to be adjusted. So first of all, go to the myportal.trine.edu/ics/student. Then you would have to enter your password and log into the my portal. Then you have the student tab. Now in the student tab you have the student account center. You need to click on it. Now you need to click on view or pay my bill. Click on this. Now in your Nelnet account you can see a current balance and the amount due. Now if there is a discrepancy or difference between the current balance and amount due, then it means that your payment plan needs to be adjusted. So usually what happens is the current balance will be greater and the amount due will be smaller. So it means that your payment plan is set up to a value which is less than the current balance, and you need to increase your payment plan by that amount. In order to increase or decrease your payment plan budget, after you have come over here, then you need to click on the actions. Then you need to click on adjust balance, and then you need to click on increase my balance, and then you need to increase it by, in your case it would be $287. Okay, and after you enter this, what is the reason of adjustment, you can say that charges added or system increase, and then you can submit it. After selecting that, you would be able to submit it by clicking the option of apply. So once again, go to view or pay my balance or pay my bill. In order to know the amount that needs to be adjusted, you need to current balance minus amount due, that will give you the amount. Then click on actions, click on adjust balance, then increase my balance and enter that particular amount over here. Then you can say that it is charges added and description, and then click on apply. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe my channel.